be showing you guys how to make a delicious date caramel. Let's get into it. So first of all, we're going to start off by putting everything in this blender. So 300 grams of the seeded dates, half a cup of plant-based milk, 3 tablespoons of cashew nut butter, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 pinch of salt. Now I'm going to put the lid on and blend it up. See you after it's done. Now it's all done. It's time to place into my bowl. It should look just like this. I like mine a bit thick, but if you want yours a bit liquidy, you can add some more milk if you want to. This is looking so nice. Now it's time to taste. Delicious. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.